What if I told you there are people right now making $1,000, $3,000, even $5,000 a day using AI? And most of these businesses don't require employees, investors, or even a fancy office. Just a laptop, internet connection, and the right strategy. And the craziest part, most business owners still have no idea these solutions exist, which means the opportunity is wide open. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI businesses with massive income potential. These are not theory. These are real opportunities that businesses are already paying for. I'll also show you how much it costs to start, how difficult each one is, and how much money you could realistically make. Plus, near the end of the video, I'll reveal the one AI business I would start today if I had to begin from scratch. Right now, we're living through one of the biggest technology shifts in history. Artificial intelligence is changing how businesses operate. But here's the thing, most people don't realize AI itself isn't the business. The real money comes from solving problems for companies using AI. Businesses are overwhelmed. They're drowning in emails, missing sales calls, ignoring customer messages, and wasting hours every day doing repetitive work. If you can help them fix even one of these problems with AI, they will happily pay you. So let's break down the 5 AI businesses that are exploding right now. Business number 5. AI appointment setter. The first opportunity is AI appointment setting. Here's the problem businesses face. When a customer calls a company, someone has to answer the phone. That employee might cost the business $3,000 to $5,000 per month. But now AI can do the same job. An AI system can answer incoming calls, talk naturally with customers, ask questions, and book appointments automatically. Imagine you run a dental clinic. A patient calls to schedule an appointment. Instead of a receptionist answering the phone, an AI voice assistant answers instantly. It asks what the patient needs, checks available times, and books the appointment in seconds. From the customer's perspective, it feels almost human. Businesses love this because it saves money and captures more leads. And your role is simply to set up and manage that AI system for them. Income potential? Many people charge businesses $500 to $2,000 per month for this service. Just 10 clients could mean $10,000 a month. But here's the crazy part. The next AI business is even easier to start. Business number 4, AI content repurposing. Every business today is trying to create content, podcasts, YouTube videos, webinars, interviews. But most of that content only gets used once. This is where you come in. Your job is to take long-form content and turn it into short viral clips. For example, a 60-minute podcast can easily become 20 TikTok clips, 10 Instagram reels, 10 YouTube shorts. Instead of one piece of content, you suddenly have 40 pieces of content. AI tools can now find the best moments, add captions, resize videos, generate titles. So what used to take hours now takes minutes. Let's say you charge a business $1,000 per month to turn their podcast into short videos. With just 15 clients, you're making $15,000 a month. And the demand for short-form content is exploding. But the next opportunity is where things start getting really interesting. Business number 3, AI sales, chatbots. Think about how many businesses receive messages every day. Customers ask questions on websites, Instagram, Facebook, email. The problem? Most businesses don't respond fast enough. And when they don't respond quickly, they lose sales. That's where AI chatbots come in. An AI chatbot can instantly reply to customers. It can answer questions like, "Do you have this product in stock? What are your business hours? Can I book a consultation?" But here's the real power. A smart chatbot doesn't just answer questions. It turns conversations into sales. For example, someone messages a fitness coach asking about training programs. Instead of a simple reply, the chatbot guides them through a conversation and books a consultation. That's a new client. Businesses love this because it increases revenue, which means they're willing to pay good money for it. Many AI chatbot specialists charge $1,500 to $5,000 per setup. But now we're about to reach the two biggest opportunities, and the next one can put you in a completely different income bracket. Business number 2, AI data organization. Most companies have a huge problem. Their data is a mess. Important information is scattered across Google Drive, emails, CRM systems, spreadsheets, Slack messages. Finding answers becomes a nightmare. Imagine asking your business, "Which product made us the most money last quarter?" and getting an answer instantly. That's what happens when you organize company data and connect it to AI. You help businesses create a system where they can simply ask questions and get clear insights. For example, a business owner could ask, "Which marketing campaign produced the most leads last month?" The AI analyzes the company data and responds immediately. This kind of insight can save companies tens of thousands of dollars, which means they're willing to pay premium prices. Some consultants charge $5,000 to $20,000 per project. But the number one AI business on this list is something almost every entrepreneur desperately wants. Before I reveal the number one opportunity, let me ask you something. If you're a business owner, what is the one thing you never seem to have enough of? Not money, not ideas, time. Entrepreneurs are constantly overwhelmed by emails, meetings, and notifications. And that leads us to the biggest AI opportunity right now. Business number 1, AI Inbox and Calendar Manager. This is basically an AI executive assistant. Imagine an AI system that can sort your emails, respond to routine messages, schedule meetings, manage your calendar, prioritize important tasks. Business owners spend hours every week just dealing with emails. Now imagine removing 90% of that workload. AI can learn how someone writes emails, it can understand their schedule, and it can automatically handle repetitive communication. For example, a client sends an email asking for a meeting. Instead of the business owner replying, the AI reads the email, checks the calendar, and schedules the meeting instantly. Entrepreneurs love this because it literally gives them their time back. And time is the most valuable asset they have. Because of that, companies are willing to pay thousands per month for these systems. Now here's the truth most people don't want to hear. AI tools alone won't make you money. Anyone can open an AI app. Anyone can experiment with prompts. But the people who actually make money are the ones who do something different. They solve real problems for real businesses. They talk to clients. They understand pain points. And then they use AI to create solutions. You don't need to master everything. You just need to pick one opportunity and go all in. Start small, get your first client, deliver results, then repeat. Because we're still at the beginning of the AI revolution. And the people who move early are usually the ones who win the biggest.